Hi everyone, it's Jean from Sew It Themes. Welcome back. And if you're stopping for the first time, welcome. And I'm so glad that you took the time out to to view. I am still working, of course, on my little Golden Book Christmas Daily Journals, and I'm doing six at one time. And I don't know, I thought it would save me time, but every little book has its little own personality, so I almost have to start from scratch. But anyways, the two that I'm going to focus on today is The Night Before Christmas, that I believe has a vintage type of look to it. So I will be putting in um, a vintage theme, ephemera, and that type of stuff. And the other one is The Nutcracker. And this one is very dreamy and ethereal to me. It has a lot of the blues and grays, and it's just I just really like the illustrations in here. So I'm going to choose sort of maybe a little bit non-traditional type of paper for this in here. So these are two different personalities of little golden books, and that I'm going to work on today. So when I make tags, I really enjoy using collage sheets, printouts that already have collage on them, so that when you glue it to your tag base, a lot of the work is already done for you. And had a hard time finding um, that a Christmassy one. There was plenty of other, shabby chic botanicals and things like that, but it was hard to find a Christmas sheet that I felt the images were close enough and small enough that you could really make collage tags out of them. And I stumbled upon Allure Books, and I will put her link down below. But she had vintage ones, and I think you got three. I think three. And then she also had these other ones that were very, I don't know, very non-traditional, but very beautiful, very snowy, starry, dreamy type of images on it. And it's just, I think, perfect for my Nutcracker one. So I am making, you tell I've already made one tag, but that's what I'm doing right now, is making tags for each of those golden books. So let's start with this one here. Kind of show you how I make a tag from scratch, to kind of give you an idea of what I mean by the collage sheets and having a background. So we'll just get in here and we'll put down our glue like this. I'm using Yoo-Hoo glue, but you might find one that you like just as well or better. This is the one that I'm using here. And then I just, kind of find a spot that will look kind of nice for what I want to do. Let's do this one down here. So we'll just put it on the corner like that. Okay, dokie. Get that glue down nice, and then I need to, I just go through and I just cut, and you can kind of feel with your scissors where to cut on that edge. If you're using cardstock anyways, you'll be able to do that. And so now, although I'm making journaling tags, these would make awesome Christmas tags as well. Very awesome. Now, to tell you the truth, if you're making a Christmas tag, you're pretty much done. You could just put to and from up here and put on, some really pretty shimmery ribbon up on the top, and really, it looks really nice just like that. I'm going to go just a little step further, and I'm putting down this little cute image, this little angel and her little lamb. It's so sweet. So I'm making this one here then for the Night Before Christmas journal. I think it'd be really cute. Now this is glitter glue. I put it in my own dispenser that I got several months ago from Creative Cafe Girl. She had these really neat little tubes dispensers that would just work perfect for this, in my opinion anyways. And you can really get detailed on that. So here's our little image. Kind of put her like right here. So she's kind of pink and she's got a little pink background. I think it's kind of sweet there. And I'm going to just make a traditional tag. So we'll, whoops, there we go. I'll just punch a hole in here. Yeah, this, oh, there's something stuck on here. There we go. There. I need a new puncher. There we go. Good. And then I'll just put on, you know, a couple of these little links here for the top part. And so this is really very cute. Now, what I'll probably do in addition to this, just to kind of dress up and draw attention to the little clip art girl. And this clip art actually I got off of Pinterest, so it was a free download. So there we go. Got that there. And then what I'll do is I will get glossy accents, and I will go through and kind of highlight some of the things I want to stand out. So I kind of like her little wings to stand out. So we'll just go in there and get that put in there. That's so cute. Gonna get that to stand out there. And I think I'm going to have these ornaments stand out just a little bit. So this just adds a little dimension and shine. Now I'm not really good with glitter. It's not my favorite medium. I like it when people do it. I just don't like doing it myself. I usually just make this mess and I get glitter everywhere. And so I like this because this helps me, I can control it, you know, a little bit better and still add, you know, a little something to it. So there we go. So that will be a little journaling tag there. Very cute. Now over here, the one that I've already done, I've already glued this together. And I have, these are, I bought these somewhere. These are die cuts, but I don't know, it's been quite a long time. I think this has a more traditional look to it. So I am going to glue this on here. Now I really prefer using the glitter glue for this rather than the Yoo-Hoo stick. I don't know why. Yoo-Hoo stick is good for paper, but when the paper gets kind of thick, like this is somewhere between cardstock and paper. It's not as thick as cardstock, but it's a little bit more than your regular paper. I think this just holds so much better, in my opinion. And it dries very quickly as well. And it doesn't do a lot of bubbling either. So we'll just put this little guy down here like this. And then we'll trim off little extras over here. There we go. wipe that off. There's our little poinsettia. And then to give it, a little bit more sparkle, I need to wipe that off there. To give it a little bit more sparkle, I have these little jewels, which I got quite a long time ago. But I'm just going to put a few green ones in the center because I believe that, yeah, let's put extra glue on that. The center of poinsettias is pretty green, I do believe. And the green too helps with all the red that's going on here. There we go. So I'll just put a few of these on here. And it'll look nice. So I hope everyone is thinking about their Christmas crafting. And if I were a smart cookie, I would be doing Christmas cards. Oh yes, that's what I would be doing. Maybe I'll start that as soon as I get done with my journal. So it's kind of cute. It adds a little sparkle there. And then one of my favorite ribbon punches for putting ribbons on is this one here. So instead of a hole with tags, I'm going to punch a ribbon into here. Let's see. I have to get past that hole there. Okay. Let's try to eye that up. Okay. It's about right there. Just a little more. Okay. There we go. Yeah, this is kind of getting to be an older. I have to use some, I think you use tin foil. So technical difficulties, I'll be right back. Okay, definitely didn't like that thick cardstock to punch through, but finally got it to behave, and I will have to run some wax paper on that to make it a little bit better, more pliable. So what I do is I run thread this way, not thread but ribbon, I mean, like this, and then let me go ahead and cut it. I go back the other way, and of course this does work a little bit better on the center ribbon, but we are going to try it this way. So go back into that hole, and then we have a cute little knot right there. So the punch was from Hobby Lobby a long time ago, but you probably, I'm sure other punches are out there that do the same thing. Okay. Okay, there we go. Yay. All right, so we got this cute little ribbon here up on top. There. So here's a cute little journaling tag. I think it'd be really sweet to fill out. So those are my two examples of tags, or they could definitely be gift tags. You can make them, a wee bit smaller, but really like the idea of the collage sheets. I think it just makes it quick and easier to get it done. I think I might be putting that little thing up there later on. So thank you so much for viewing. I so appreciate it, and I will be doing more for my little Golden Book journals in the next probably several weeks, because I don't know how long this is going to take me. So thank you so much for viewing, and please subscribe so that you can keep abreast as to how I am progressing with my little Golden Book journals. And we will be seeing you later. Have a crafty day. Bye.